They went into an upper room all with one accord, praying for a blessing, just waiting on the Lord. And there came a sound like thunder rumbling through the wind. The Spirit of the Lord came down and fell on all of them. And it's time for the wind to start blowing again. It's time to feel the blessings of the great I am, spoken from the prophet Joel to all men. So don't you think it's time to let the wind blow again? Ezekiel stood and prophesied in the valley of dry bones, saying to those bones, hear the word of the Lord. And there came a mighty shaking, and the flesh came upon them. They began to live and breathe when he spoke to the four winds.